Hey guys, welcome back. So we are starting off this season with a bang. We're in 2025 and we are doing some giveaways. We are working with Greener Blast Technologies. Of course, the guys that are doing my trailer, that did my other trailer, and has helped me out right along this whole adventure for the past few years now. So let's get to it. So we're gonna have actually it's gonna be more than that, but three main giveaways and then two small ones. So the main giveaways is going to be called the website giveaway. So if you go to our website, I'll put the URL down here. I created that back in 2018 and I have no clue what I'm doing with websites. So we are having it rebuilt. It should be rebuilt in late spring, early summer. And once it gets rebuilt, I will be doing the giveaway. The giveaway is going to be a $250 gift card. Use it for gas, use it for blasting stuff, use it for, give it to the wife, give it to the husband, whatever. So we're going to do a $250 gift card for our website giveaway. July 4th weekend, or July 4th week, Greener Blast Technologies is doing their giveaway. I'll explain how to enter all this stuff after we go through the initial stuff. So their giveaway is $50 off from their website, consumables website. So gear, mask, they work with RPB, GVS, Smiths, Kennametal, Moldex. They work with all these other companies on this website. The website is progressblasting.com. And of course, all this stuff is going to be down in the descriptions. So it shouldn't be that hard to figure out. But it's a one-stop shop for all your stuff instead of being bounced around. Definitely check these guys out because I pretty much buy all my stuff from them now since they have expanded and gone into consumables and stuff. It's just a lot easier than being bounced around everywhere. Last main giveaway is a $250. So their giveaway is because of the trailer build they're doing for us. So they're popping into it because they are building my dry blast trailer for the 2025 season. So it's the trailer giveaway that they're doing. And then the last one is our end of season giveaway. It's just another $250 giveaway. And it's just to thank all of our subscribers. We appreciate you guys following us, taking your time to comment. My Facebook Messenger blows up every day. So with questions and everything. So I appreciate all that and I try to answer everything that I get. So it's just basically a thank you to everybody. Also, these may look familiar. Last 2024, I think, in the beginning of the season, we did a giveaway with like 5 of these bags with different things. And then they were even labeled. So if you go back to that giveaway, this is bag 2 and 3. I have no clue what the hell is in them. I haven't gone back to the video because I think in that video we might say, I don't even think we said what was in each of them. I think we said what was in each of them, but the numbers just correlated with when I did the random generator, number 1 person, number 2 person, and I did it like that. So I'm not gonna open them. Let's call them mystery bags. And I have 2 of them for this season, and we will explain how to enter for those. There was 5 total. Some of them, one of the bags, and I don't know if it's one of these, had these plugs like this with that you screw in, a whole bunch of different sizes. One of them had a light for a powder coating gun. Another one had a bag of powder, and I know that's not in one of these because it's too light, so I know it's not the bag of powder. I think another one had a shirt from Cardinal. Cardinal and ended up sending us some giveaway stuff. And actually, you know, it feels like a cup or something. I honestly I don't know. So, okay, that's behind us. Them are the giveaways. The way to enter it. There's two different ways to enter it. Okay, so for the $250 giveaways, the website giveaway, and the one at the end of the season to thank you guys. The only way to enter that one is subscribe, like this video, and down in the comments, put the word money. That's all you have to do, and you're entered in those two giveaways. Very simple, very easy, okay? Because when the website's done, I'm coming to this video doing a random generator. And then whoever wins gets it. And then in the fall, gonna do a random generator on this video, and you will hear about this video all through the summer because I will keep putting links to it so other people can join and other people can subscribe to us. Okay, the Greener Blast Technologies trailer giveaway. Okay, what we need to do with them guys to get their $50 off their consumables over at progressblasting.com. Down in my description, there will be a link to their Facebook page. On their Facebook page, you will see a post that has this video right here that we're doing. And I'm not sure what it'll be up there. Collaboration with them guys on giveaways. And what you have to do is go down to their comment section and do whatever they have written up in a post. I don't know what they have yet. It could be the word money. It could be the word blasting. It could be anything at all or nothing at all. I'm not 100% sure what they're going to require, but in our descriptions, and this is going to go out in the next couple days. I think I'm around the 23rd right now. It will take them a few days to get that post up. So if you do not see a direct post to their post, okay. I have their Facebook link down below, but I will direct it to that exact post once they have it up. So we'll just wait for that post to come in. It should be within the first week here. So go ahead, enter my giveaway, and soon as just keep checking back, and here later on this week, I will put their post in as soon as they give it to me. Okay, so the one for these babies right here, the mystery bags, that one's easy. I'm gonna just take a random video that we do this summer. Don't know when, don't know what video. It could be a short one, it could be a long one. I'm gonna just pull that video and I'm gonna do a random generator on comments. And then whoever gets it, I'll do it twice this year. All you have to do is once I do the random generator, I do look to make sure you're subscribed. If you're subscribed, I will reach out to you, get your information, and send this stuff to you. So on the videos, make sure to like them and comment in them. That's pretty much all you have to do from these videos on in order to get these two bags, and these two bags will go out this summer. So a lot going on, guys. 3 major giveaways and 2 minis. Again, I'd like to do a shout out to Greener Blast Technologies. Like you guys know, we met them back in the collaboration with 10X video. If I'm looking at the screen, I think the video's gonna be here. I think it's here. I'll put that collaboration behind the scenes of the collaboration because I like that video a lot better. Where we meet these guys and just been friends ever since. They are freaking smart, father-son company. So it's not a big corporation or whatever, but they'll bend over backwards to help with information, help with builds, whatever you need them for, they will help you. So I'm always honored to do any kind of collaboration with these guys. I'm all for it. Also, they have a Pyroblast, I actually got to get another pallet of it to start off this summer, or a couple pallets to start off this summer. But Pyroblast, it's a mineral byproduct of garnet, but it's just as hard as garnet and at the price of glass. So as you know, garnet is freaking super expensive. You can get this shit at the price of cheaper glass and have the durability of a mineral. So Pyroblast, and dude, I cannot wait for this trailer to be built. They have it, they're gonna be wrapping it for me. So we gotta go through those stages. I'm excited, a lot of stuff coming up in the 2025 season. And that's why we're just doing this. We wanna put a little love out into the world and a little bit of good karma out in the world. And thank you guys for following us and subscribing. And again, to enter the 2 big giveaways, the $250 giveaways, this video is the one that's the information is going to be pulled from. So like, subscribe, and comment the word money down in the descriptions of this video. There's going to be the $50 off from the Greener Blast Technologies trailer build video. Or not video, the trailer build giveaway. Look down in the description. I will have a link posted as soon as I get it. Go to that post on their Facebook page, read whatever they put on it, and do whatever they tell you to enter their giveaway. We will do the random generator live on this channel. So all you guys will see it, but check out their stuff. They have a lot of cool shit over there. They do a lot of cool builds and things like that. And that's the way to enter theirs. And then the 2 mini giveaways where we have no friggin' clue what the hell they are. They're left over from last year. I'm just pulling random videos that I do this summer. And as long as you liked and commented and you are a subscriber, it's going to take you 2 minutes to do that. And I don't know, just random videos I'm going to pull, and I'll do a random generator twice throughout the course of maybe one between spring and summer and one between summer and fall, kind of, so we can just kind of keep steps all the way along. But okay guys, I'm pushing 12 minutes. I know it's long. I think I have a couple videos coming out, or I just put them out. It's hectic here, I apologize. So okay guys, I will see you on the next one, and stay safe.